Okay, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are watching me from. This is your tutor from Jarizi Academy. Okay, so now we are looking at questions on the board here from paper 1, 2022, paper 1. These are some of the questions that came. So now I want to help a student or a pupil that is preparing for his or a GCE or his internal exams. Just these simple questions on the board on expansion, on solving equation, and on factorization. So like as you can see here, we've got the first question here saying expand and simplify. You expand and simplify. So you have been given the first term be multiplied to the second term. So these we call them double bracket kind of expansion. Double bracket kind of expansion because we've got the first term with two brackets and the other one being multiplied to the second term. So now like this one, how you can expand it in a very simpler way is this. So you say, I hope everyone is be able to let me use the marker. Okay, say okay, you say we've got open bracket 2a plus 3 close bracket multiplied by 3a minus 4 close bracket. So how you do or how you go about is like this. You've got your first term here, your 2a. You multiply it with everything in the second bracket. So you say 2a open bracket 3a minus 4 plus. Then also your second term here, you multiply with everything in your second bracket. So you say 3 open bracket 3 3a minus 4. Okay, so this is what we have here. So now, having established this, you now start by multiplying throughout now. You start expanding. That's what the question is demanding. You expand and simplify. So you expand now. You say 2a times 3a. Your answer will be 6a squared. Then you say 2a again multiplied by negative 4. Your result will be 8a. Then there you are done. You say plus. Then again, you continue here. You say 3 times 3a. Your result will be 9a. Then you continue again. You say 3 times negative 4. Your result will be negative 12. So now you are expanding. You are obeying what you have been told here by expanding and simplifying. So here now, after having expanded here, what you do next now, you group the like terms together. What I mean by like terms together, for example, in this case, you look for those terms with a and those terms without variables. You put them aside. So in this case, we've got this one. You maintain 6a squared. Then minus 8a is similar to 9a. So here, already here I can say negative 8a plus 9a. What's the answer? We know that it's positive a. Minus 12. Do you have anything here to simplify? No, because everything here, these are unlike terms. They are not like terms. Also meaning that you are done. You have gotten your free 2 marks in paper 1. So meaning this one, we are done. Let's go to question 2. Question 2, we can answer it here. We can say they are saying solve the equation. Solve the equation 4x squared is equal to 9x. So now you look at the question critically so that you don't make mistakes. You know that on your left side here, your variable is raised to the power 2. Then on your right hand side here, your variable is raised to the power 1. So what you do so that you help yourself, you make this 9x to cross to the other side so that you can equate everything to 0. So you can say 4x squared minus 9x is equal to 0. So having done this, you now factorize now your left hand side here. You factorize your left hand side here. So now you ask yourself which uh, which which one is common here? Which variable is common? It's x. Then which number can go in both terms? Nothing here. So the one which is common here is just x. So you say x into 4x squared. The result would be 4x. Your operation here is minus, so minus. Then x into 9x, it will give you 9. Then cross bracket equal to 0. So as you can see here, you apply your zero product rule. Your zero product rule meaning this x is equal to 0, and also everything in the bracket here is equal to 0. So you say x is equal to 0, or 4x minus 9 is equal to 0. On this one now, on this one, you solve it, you solve for x. So you say 4x minus 9 is equal to 0. You say this 9 goes to the other side. So 4x is equal to 9. Then you divide 4. Okay, so I'll show it here. You say 4x is equal to 9. So you divide by 4, there by 4, meaning your x would be 9. If you want, I can come up with it. I can divide 4 into 9. Now, since in paper 1 you are not allowed to use calculators, so you can just leave it here. 9 over 4. It's okay. They will still mark you. So meaning that you have solved for x. So x has got two values. X is equal to 0, or x is equal to 9 over 4. So these are your two answers. X is equal to 0 or 9, or x is equal to 9 over 4. So we are done with the second question. So now got a third question here. I don't know if you allow me to lab it, to lab the top part, since we have answered there, or we lab this one here. The second, the solution, we can lab it here. So we can say 3. Question 3. So we are still solving, we are still answering. Stay with me, stay with me. So question 3 reads, factorize completely given 2ab minus 2ay plus xy minus bx. So now when you are given such kind of a question, what you do here, if you have been asked to factorize, since we've got how many terms here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So meaning an easier way to solve this, you group them in pairs. You first start with the first 2, then you end with your last 2. So you look at the question critically. You've got this one, 2ab minus 2ay plus xy minus bx. So if I look at this, I can group the like them together. I can group the like them together. But looking at the way it is here, this question is grouped in the like terms. So you can say which number here is common. So you know that 2 is common. So you like 2. Then you look for the variable. By variable, I mean a letter. So which letter is common here? It is A. You put your A there. Then you say open brackets. 2A into 2AB, your answer will be B. Minus as your operation there. 2A into 2AY, your answer will be Y. Y like that. Cross bracket. Then you are done. Then you come here. You ask yourself, which letter is common here? There is xy minus bx. of course x is common, so you say plus x. Yes, plus x. So you say x into xy, your answer will be y, minus x into bx, your answer will be b, close bracket like that. So now you look at what is in the bracket. This one we've got b minus y, the other one we've got y minus b. If I look at this, these are similar, so you have to be clever and sharp. You should do something to y minus b so that it can be same as b minus 1. So what I can do here, I can say 2a open bracket b minus y close bracket plus x here. I can say open bracket like this. I can switch the letters here. I can say negative b plus y close brackets like this. Okay, so that yes, close bracket like this. Then I bring it down like this: 2a b minus y close bracket plus y. Then here I can factorize what is here. I can factorize it by negative 1. Let's say negative 1 there, so that negative 1 into negative b to give me positive b. Then negative 1 into negative or into positive y to give me negative y, close bracket like that, so that you can multiply this one to this coefficient here. So 2a by b minus y close bracket, this one will give you negative x open bracket b minus y like this. So now if you check here, what is in the brackets here now are similar. So you put what is outside together. You say 2a minus x. You close it like this. Then you just pick what is common here. You say b minus y. So this one, if you check this answer, it's a reverse of, it's a reverse. If you check the answer here, yeah, if you check the answer here, you will see that this one is a reverse of the first question, because the first question you are asked to expand and simplify. Yes. So this is how you can earn your free 2 marks in paper 1 like that. It's simple. I hope someone has been helped and blessed. So now, for those that are interested in doing tuitions, online tuitions, this is my WhatsApp number. So this is my WhatsApp number, plus 260-264-92-10-29 plus 260-964-92-10-29. So this is my WhatsApp number for all those who are interested in joining our WhatsApp group for online lessons. Okay, then for more videos, you can find us at Jari's Academy on YouTube. Please do well by subscribing. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.